I adopted him just before his 4th birthday. At that time, he could only just nod his head up and down for yes and no.
Ben is an 18-year-old student at Foothill Community College in Los Altos, California. Born with cerebral palsy, Ben is currently studying sociology.
Ben is a very sensitive person, and he is able to communicate his needs and his feelings only through technology.
Today, Ben will receive a new computer that will expand his ability to communicate with the world.
The components have been coming in for about the last 3 or 4 weeks. And then we had to configure it here just so that all the software was working together.
This new computer is just an off-the-shelf PC that's been repackaged. To access it, Ben uses an array of assistive technologies.
We look at these systems in terms of characteristics. What does he need to do, and then what software will do it for him.
First, Ben needs to control the computer. He does so with a dot pasted onto his forehead. Light reflected from the dot to a receiver functions as a mouse. A dwell program monitors the movement of the light and executes a mouse click if the light rests on the screen button for an extended period of time.
Okay, you have to hold your head for 3 seconds right now.
Talkboard is a program with common pre-programmed phrases.
This wheelchair is pretty good for getting out on my own.
Ben has a sense of humor. Okay. And is very gifted as far as his writing skills go.
Although these devices are designed to enhance the accessibility of mainstream products, they often raise compatibility issues.
Some of these don't branch to anything, and it sort of freezes it up.
There seem to be some conflicts early on. Oftentimes it is the dwell program.
One of the big problems for the small companies that make the assistive technologies, they don't have a lot of resources, and yet they're very dependent upon the platform vendors.
To be able to achieve it so that the user, the individual, can actually use a product, you have to start in the architecture.
Several platform vendors are in the process of making their code available on public servers.
With open source, all of the code is sitting out there on public computing servers. If the small vendor has a problem, they can find the problem, they can fix the problem, they can distribute the fixed platform. This means tremendous things for people with disabilities. They're no longer locked out of jobs.
My goals are to get a good job, be successful.
Right. No, great.
What is the network all about? Access? Ideas? Conversations? Yes.